Beautiful morning out here in Central Park. Just to show you guys a little bit of what I'm doing today. So I'm doing some leg raises. The city of New York was kind enough to leave these barriers here, so we made these into dip bars. And I'm going right into some iguana push-ups. You know, these are my favorite. Stability, balance, and strength. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we're gonna finish it off with a little bit of ring pull-ups. Woo! So I highly recommend getting outside and working out. Fresh air is good, the sunlight's good. Instant mood elevator. 9, 10. Love all you guys. See you in the next one.